Well, boys, we've got Goku 32 GTR here. Holy hecker, boys. Cannot wait to see this thing rip. New turbo setup. Massive, massive baby eater. Holy hecker. That's going to be bloody quick, boys. Old Stewie from SRS is on the bloody tuner, on the lappy. So let's see this thing rip and row through the gears, boys. Holy hecker. Bloody good, boys. S15, holy hecker. Running the PSR, big sticky boys on the back. Holy hecker. Running a link dash with a ratchet shifter. So this thing should be putting down plenty of power. So we'll have to see what happens tonight. But big drifty boy, stance boy, fitment on the front. Holy hecker, boys. We are bloody ready. Alrighty, boys. Here's Lenny's first race up against an R35 GTR. See how he goes. Holy! And we've got RE85 racing maybe a 31 again, or Cressida. Holy hecker! Well, RE85 is running a new turbo setup, hence why they're out here testing. So bloody good to see that he just took that away. So interesting. I think we're going to get a passo lap in there later on today or tonight. But boys, I cannot wait. Oh, so bloody excited. Here goes the SRS R32 GTR. Holy heck! Wowzers! Alright, here's Lenny's second race against the 35. False start before. Got him! Here goes Lenny's second race. Yes! Sheesh! And the new SRS customer car, I believe, from Sydney, obviously, with New South Wales plates. Big boy baby eater. Holy hecker! That would eat a 12-month-old, I reckon. Big catch can. Holy hecker! Sheesh. Holy, he's got NOS buttons, boys. Holy heck. That is bloody sick. Hopefully, goes well tonight again, but we'll have to see how he goes. Running the old proxies, R888Rs. Holy hecker. Big sticky boys. We got the sauce back here, boys. Holy hecker. Relocated power steering pump as well. Holy hecker. That is sick, boys. Holy heck. That's 14, boys. Holy hecker. Here we go, boys. Well, we're in bloody Lenny's RS3 on top detailing. We're racing an R35 GTR, which you would have seen before. About 1100 horsepower, something like that. Give or take. But let's see how this goes, boys. We're still in Lenny's RS3, boys. We're racing RE85. Is it fast? Stage 4, V5. So it's around 370 kilowatts, something like that. So we'll see how he goes against the RS3. Map 3, I think it is. Alright, here we go, boys. BEAST35 versus vicious PTO Lamborghini. Holy hecker. Wowzers. Mr. Goku himself. Let's go. Alright, here's Goku's first race. Not good. Jump start maybe. Jump start. Go, Lenny. Alrighty, we're off, boys. We are in our E85 right now. 7.5 Golf, V5, full frame turbo, full Galliano setup. So bloody quick if you ask me. But we're racing another RS3, so stage 2+, I'm pretty sure. So see how this goes, boys. Holy heck. Boys, whoa! Yes! I'll see ya! Alrighty, boys. Well, we're racing a bloody Tirana, still an RE85, so let's see how this goes. Oh, wow. Here we go, boys. Here we bloody go. Holy heck! Alrighty, boys, third race. We're in alright, third race for RE85. We're racing the Pro HR. This thing is bloody quick. Pretty sure it's in that maybe 7-8 second club, so should be interesting, boys. Here we go. Oh heck! Wowzers! Holy heck! Well, boys, not the best ending for bloody Goku. So yeah, calling it a night. They reckon he's popped the alternator. So yeah, unfortunate, but the night shall go on, boys. The night shall go on. But we still have BEAST35. I think this is his first time out. Haven't actually been watching him most of the night. So let's see how he bloody goes, boys. Ooh, RX3, boys. Holy hecker. Full drag setup. Gee whizzikers, boys. Big, thick boys on the back. Holy hecker. QPG Racing. Holy smokes. And another build from QPG, which is an RX2. Holy hecker. Super deluxe. Holy heck. Fully stripped out, ready for the drags as well. Sheesh. Raised bonnet for additional cooling. Holy heck. All right, here we go, boys. BMW versus Lenny. Oosh, boys, and we got the old super cheap auto trade, bloody Tritons. Holy hecker. Shout out to the boys, always hooking us up with parts when we need them. Big shout out. Right, here we go, boys. Lenny versus BEAST35. Oh! Okay, it wasn't as bad as I thought. Alright, here's BEAST35. Maybe round 6. Oh my god. What a run, boys. Here goes the final race of the night, boys. We've got Cash from High Talk Performance in the Commie, and BEAST35 with Alex from Position. Oh, he's won. Wonder what happened to old mate, but it looks like plenty of smoke back there. Maybe just spun the wheels or something, or locked up maybe. A lot of power behind that thing, that's for sure.
The next day.
Yeesh, boys. Well, first customer for about 2 weeks. Holy heck. Might have forgotten what we have to bloody do. Holy heck. But we have an 8 full stocky boy. However, it's going to get a transformation today. But yeah, full stocky boy, except he's done his first mod, the old 034 Motorsports gas strut. Holy hecker. But other than that, boys, full stock. Even stock battery. Holy hecker, we don't see much of those, boys. Stock intake, even a stock engine cover. Got to be careful with these ones, boys. They seem to catch fire. Bloody good, but springs today and a bloody minor service, or technically just an oil flush. He is only on about 4,000 kilometers. So yeah, just a flush and filter. That's pretty much it. But enough jibber jabber, and let's bloody get into it. And of course, boys, we are still on our No Money March journey. It is the 16th today, I think, something like that, 15th. So we're feeling the effects, but not far away, boys. We'll get another money a day. But no money march. If you're with me, make sure you're hydrated. Checking out your water. Oh, ice cold, boys. Ice cold. Holy hecker. But as always, enough bloody jibber jabber. And let's bloody get into this customer's car. Oh, it's going to be a hot day.
2 hours later.
Yeesh, boys. Well, bloody good. 8R bloody done. Minor service and lowering springs. How bloody good. But as always, boys, shout out to the good guys, our chemical guys, for the engine bay semi-half detail. This has only got 3,000 Ks or 4,000 on the clock, so it's pretty clean already. So just gave it a bit of a dust off, but looking schmick now, boys, for the old lowering springs. So how bloody good. He reckons he might tune it soon, so we might see him back. Maybe.
Keep going. 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 And I know I won't keep you yawning. Keep going till 6 in the morning. Keep going. Keep going.
Yeesh, boys. Well, I did forget to record the intro, so hence why it's half on its axis. About to get it back up in the air, but bloody good, boys. So minor service on this bad boy. Fully stock Tiguan. One of my customers' wives' dailies that she's just picked up. So minor service and post-purchase inspection. So we'll see, but I think it's got a leaky boy sump. So not ideal, as we've just seen, but yeah, looking pretty schmicko. Full stocky boy. Stock intake. Aftermarket battery. Sheesh. Holy heck, boys. But stock everything else. So good guys at Chemical Guys will help us out with the detail. We've done the wheels already, so looking pretty schmicko, pretty suave. And yeah, let's get this beast finished, done and dusted, and enough jibber jabber.
The next day.
Whoosh, boys. Well, welcome back to Sunday customer bloody bookings. Holy hecker. We've got Jack's car in here, getting ready for it to be for sale. We've just put on the front lip again. Big boy bolts. The nut certs that we used, unfortunately, don't really hold up that well in plastic. Obviously, they hold up very well in metal, but yeah, plastic, they just pretty much pull themselves out. So big boy bolts in there now. So hopefully that should stay together. But yeah, we're about to chuck it back on. So we've just essentially put those big bolts back on. So getting it ready for sale. As we said last time, not too shabby. We've fixed a dent that was over here, up on the top sill, up in here somewhere. So shout out to REFINISH Motorsports. As always, when you are booking through Ben, make sure you mention me and it'll give you a bit of a dissy, boys. But if you don't know anyone that's after a Mark 7.5 TSI, has 100,000 Ks on the clock, or just over, full Volkswagen service history, CTS intake, go fast bits blow-off valve, front lip from Maxton, side skirts from Maxton, 19-inch hustlers, 2 brand new tyres that we've just fitted probably a couple of weeks ago, not even that. The wing is going back on today, tinted tail lights, a custom sort of tail piece, because TSIs don't normally have one, so she's just put some tips on there. But yeah, we're looking for around that 17k mark. We're going to put up on car sales. If it's up in time, I'll link it below. But yeah, Mark 7.5 TSI for sale, boys. Holy hiccup. And of course, we'll have a finder's fee in there if any of you guys can lead us to a sale. And yeah, bloody good, boys. Oosh, boys. Well, too sus for you. We reckon it's Brisbane's slowest RS3. Coming for a wheel bearing, so she's all bloody done. Rear driver's side, so we're just about to test drive now. But yeah, nice little quick job. Wasn't expecting it. I actually forgot to tell you the truth, but yeah, RS3, Nardo Grey. Oh, boys, holy hecker. Roughly about 370 kilowatt, give or take. But yeah, hopefully, that's bloody fixed. So we'll see. But boys, that is going to bloody end the vlog for this bloody week. Exciting bloody week, of course. Friday night was roll racing. Packed yesterday for motorsport bookings. Then Sunday, we did have a cancellation, hence why we were able to squeeze Jack's car and Hummel's RS3 in. So not ideal. Not ideal at all. As always, boys, thank you so bloody much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking and commenting. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you bloody subscribe. Drop us a comment. I don't care what you say. Drop us a comment down below. It does more for the channel than you guys, than I can even put into words. But I appreciate every single one of you. Again, we're on that bloody push to 2,000 subscribers. Holy hiccup. I cannot thank you boys enough. It's just crazy. Just crazy. Absolutely crazy. But boys, without further ado, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next weekend for more fun-filled activity. Bloody good, boys. Yeesh.
Fuck that man, no, I'll be riding.